Ta-da! What is up, guys? As you guys can see, I got some upgrades for the car, aka big brake kit. And these are VMAX 330 millimeter discs with some four piston brake calipers from VMAX. Super nice. They look nice, at least. We'll have to see how well they work. But yeah, thought I could do an unboxing of this. And the reason I'm going for a big brake kit, even though I already have the 312 millimeter bigger discs from Volkswagen from the 180 horsepower engines and stuff, is because I need to, or I don't need to, but I want to register the car, and to be able to do that I need better braking power. So stopping power? Yeah, better stopping power basically. So today we're going to check and see if we can actually fit these, because they look way bigger than I thought. So yeah, let's see what's in the box and try on with the wheel. What is this? Oh crap, I broke it. Oh, so they are the pads. Holy shit! Oh, they're... Oh, I see.
Big boys.
That's some big boys. Alright.
You want the knife?
No, we can leave them in for now. Some pictures here.
Let me guess. Those are the discs.
Yeah.
Just folded.
Yeah, they're foldable. Yeah. Save up on a lot of space in shipping. I actually don't know what this is. Is it the bracket? Oh, it's the brackets maybe. I see.
That's the spring.
Yeah. Springs and brake lines.
And rain.
Damn. That's like some CNC adapter plates. Damn. That's nice, dude.
What is this? Aluminum or like titanium?
Yeah. It's probably.
See the CNC lines.
Yeah. Damn. That's some high quality stuff, man.
Ignore my dirty hands. Holding it the wrong way. VMAX Auto Sport.
Cool. Cool, man. Let's put that in here.
Just some
Some
hardware.
bolts and stuff. 60. Yeah, so as I said, the reason I'm doing this is in Sweden, when you build a car with high horsepower, you need to have stopping power as well. And there are certain rules that I have to follow. Certain rules I have to follow. And this is one of the demands they have. Big ass brakes. Which I don't really mind. These are kind of cool, to be honest. I don't mind. So, oh man, holy crap!
Oh my god!
Holy! I mean, I have 312, and these are 330. These look massive. Wow. And they're split as well.
Yeah, kinda cool.
Kinda cool, kinda gimmick maybe.
I don't know.
But kinda cool. I mean...
Well, it might be gimmicky on a street car, but what other choice do you have?
Yeah.
Damn.
That's pretty big.
If your brake discs don't fill your entire wheel, you have regular traffic.
Exact, regular traffic. The only dude in here is my brother with the Evo.
Yeah, but that's also just a Lancer.
Oh, it's just a Lancer.
Just a Lancer. The Volvo is
It's Volvo.
That is just a normal Volvo.
Here in Sweden, that's regular traffic.
That is the most regular traffic.
Yeah, that's like 50% of the cars
Yeah,
in Sweden.
a Volvo V70, like every other car. Like I need to say 50% of the families in Sweden have owned V70.
At least 50.
My dad has had like 10 of them.
Yeah.
Well, let's jack up the car because there might be like some issues having these wheels with those discs.
Yeah, let's see if we can take the wheel off and just put the disc inside and see how it fits, as well as the brake caliper. We'll see how that looks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Smash.
Klar det.
Ja, de var fan snygga alltså.
Bilen var lite hög.
Damn bro!
Jesus. AP. Så genom bilbulten också.
Ja. Something like that. Damn! I think I'm gonna need more spacers, bro.
Should get some mad poke.
Some bad poke. Four.
Focus.
4.5. Yeah.
Thank you.
So should we try with the caliper as well?
Well, yeah.
I'm just gonna hold it.
We can't really mimic having brake pads.
No, can we?
Ja, det är faktiskt smart. Faktiskt smart, Hugo. Kommer det från dig?
Actually.
Actually. Nej, dinga inte dem nu.
Eller ta emot på andra sidan.
Nej, vad är det typ
God damn it.
Nice clean wheels.
It's diesel wheels.
Diesel wheels.
How do I do this?
Yeah,
I'm gonna have to like pop load the bro.
Kiosk ta bort. Lägg ner spacen först.
Something like this. Nope. That's
You need like 200 millimeter spacers.
That's a lot.
Yeah, about 2 centimeters.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Ain't gonna happen.
Ain't gonna happen. I need new wheels. Okay. All right. That's doable.
My guy is bleeding money.
Oh my God. No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Flash forward 3 months. New wheels.
New wheels. Yeah, basically. Can you put that in the books? Alltså de är ju så pass stora som de täcker originalhuket.
Hey man, you should just put like rubber around the brake disc and run the disc as your wheels.
Ah, dude, big brain, bro. Big brain.
Big brain.
But then I would need bigger brakes, maybe?
Brakes behind your brakes?
What?
Brakeception.
Brakeception.
Brakes it.
Vad la jag la den där? Hey man, what you doing? Okay, so we've been testing here a little bit, putting the rotor and the caliper, but it don't fit. My wheels are too. They're formed the wrong way. The spokes are going inwards here, so I'm missing almost 20 millimeters out here where the caliper is going to go. So and I can't run 20 millimeter spacers on these rims.
No.
That's not possible. I get like this much poke, so I'm gonna need some new rims, I think. They were way bigger than I expected, so yeah, but now we know, at least. I'm not going to fit the brakes now anyways, because not tomorrow, but on Saturday we're going to tune the DSG, so we don't want to mess with that now anyways. So yeah, this weekend we're going to tune, and then I'm gonna have to figure out to get some wheels that fit. And then we can put on the big brakes.
Yeah, and they might just be like temporary wheels just to get the car through.
Yeah, get it registered
Yeah.
so I can legally drive it around. Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah,
So we'll see if we can find anything used maybe.
yeah.
Until I
New
can
new
get
is very expensive, and if you buy new, you might as well just buy something you really want,
Yeah,
and that might not be in like normal shipping range.
no, here in Sweden we don't have that much like large collection of wheels. Can you
No.
say that?
Yeah.
Any real big dealers with some quality wheels. So I might have to get some from outside, like the US or something.
Yeah.
But
And then there's shipping, and a lot of like quality wheels are made to order, so you
Mhm.
order them and then they make them,
yeah,
and it might take a while.
like a month.
Yeah, or even more, and
Yeah.
by the time you get the wheels, it might like be summer might be over, so it might be
Yeah.
better just finding some wheels
Yeah.
on the internet that look semi good and that work.
Exactly. So we can drive this summer, because I really want to see how this thing will go. Now that we can get the DSG tuned and rev out fully, and Jesus Christ, I'm so pumped up, man. I just want to drive it.
Yeah,
Oh shit.
because now we're driving and only revving to 5,000 RPM is getting pretty boring.
Yeah, and getting it optimized as well, so it shifts smoother and better and faster and everything as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, but yeah, that's a little that's a little bit of an update on what I got home, and well, we're not gonna install it. I'm sorry, guys, but now you know there's
Well-
big breaks coming.
If you
Very soon.
subscribe,
Yeah,
and then you will get maybe a notification when we upload the
Yeah.
actual install of the brakes.
exactly.
That will be really cool.
Yeah, and maybe we can even get a video up or next week on the tune as well.
Yeah,
Probably.
make sure to film it.
Yeah, I will. So I guess we'll see you guys in the next video, and have a good one.